Today, we'll talk about exciting opportunities for young people in fast-growing industries, from clean energy to construction and advanced manufacturing. These fields are not only in high demand, but they also pay well, create stable jobs, and let you build a career with purpose. The clean energy transition and climate adaptation-related work is one of the fastest-growing sectors. Jobs that probably first come to mind, like solar installers, wind technicians, and energy engineers, often start at $22 to $40 per hour. With experience, salaries can reach $70,000 to $100,000 per year. In addition to those jobs, there are also jobs related to building and construction, public transportation, clean tech manufacturing, and mass timber that are critical to the clean energy transition and have bright employment outlooks. Skilled trades are in high demand, and that demand will only keep growing with all the new building and construction projects now and in the future. Many careers begin with apprenticeships, where you can earn while you learn. Starting wages are around $24 per hour, and experienced workers can earn an average of $108,000 or more annually. Careers such as carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and pipe fitters offer excellent pay, stability, and long-term growth. These industries are not just about building structures, they're about building a better future. Every step creates opportunities for growth and innovation. Follow the links below to explore programs and take your first step forward.